this is DonMPhotography. I've got another quick little trick for you. I've seen videos online where people put their LED lights inside soft boxes, and they have strange ways of trying to fasten them in there. And I'm going, oh, I wonder how I'm going to do that. I wanted my LED light for my next video project. And then I'm thinking, hey, I got this Westcott Apollo, which is actually an umbrella. This is so simple. I'm sure you've all thought about it. But if you haven't, there you go. Can we see? Alright, so this time I put the LED facing towards the deflection material so I would get a little bit more light. So if you're curious, let's see. I won't change anything, I'll just turn it around. It's going to be hard to do without changing everything. Okay, well we can kind of remember where it was. Turn it around. Okay. Wow. Okay. So that is turn around. Move back to roughly where it was with the same brightness. I don't know, maybe it's the same. But you can see there's a big dark spot there too, which I don't like. Let's try moving it farther away. Moving the light farther into the softbox, it might help, but I don't know. I think there isn't as much light on my face. Anyway, if you like these videos, stay tuned, check in for more, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you like my channel.